Hey guys, this is Karthik Ramani. I'm gonna show you an AI-powered app that makes ChatGPT 100x more powerful, and it's gonna help you profit using ChatGPT in just few simple steps. It is for coaches, freelancers, internet marketers, affiliate marketers, and anybody literally looking to sell anything online. So it is called Prompt Engine Pro. All right, let's jump into the demo. Now we are inside the dashboard of Prompt Engine Pro. This is just as an overlay on ChatGPT. Here you can see all the refinements, and then you can see Prompt Engine Pro seamlessly integrated within ChatGPT. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here and create a lifeboat offer statement. All right, I'm going to select Coach GPT, and then I'm going to create a lifeboat offer statement. I'm going to go ahead with this first prompt. Can you create 5 statements in the, let's say, manifestation industry with a specific format? So the format is I help specific audience get quantifiable end outcome without doing the old method with a catchy new method name. So when I run this prompt, what's going to happen is it's going to give me 5 statements. All right, let's click on update. I'm just going to hit enter. I help aspiring entrepreneurs attain their first 6-figure income without resorting to traditional 9-to-5 jobs through my groundbreaking freedom formula. Right, that's a catchy new name. Again, I assist stressed out professionals achieve deep, restful sleep without relying on pharmaceutical aids using my unique Zen rest protocol. So how beautiful, catchy names ChatGPT has given me. So you have to ask the right prompts. That's the problem that we have solved with Prompt Engine Pro. And see this, right? This is a perfect statement. I love this. So I'm just gonna copy this. All right, so let's go with this. I'm going to help aspiring entrepreneurs attain their first 6-figure income without resorting to traditional 9-to-5 jobs through my groundbreaking freedom formula. All right, we're going to do this for freedom formula. Let me copy this. Now I refresh this, and you can see that Prompt Engine Pro is loaded again. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to Coach GPT and then go for the seed formula. All right, here we have. So I'm going to say, can you create a Facebook ad from the below statement with a format which is strong reframe, empowering technology, exciting power, and dominant perception. So I've copied the result from the previous tab, which is the freedom formula, and I'm going to hit enter. All right, so it's doing the strong reframe, right? Are you tired of a traditional 9-to-5 grind? Imagine a world where your income isn't tied to hours you spend in office, right? Let's redefine what it means to be successful. So we have empowering technology, and then we have the exciting offer. It's creating the offer, and then the dominant perception, which is like join the ranks of successful entrepreneurs who have shattered the shackles of traditional employment through our freedom formula. It's just more than a course. It is a lifestyle change that paves way for the future. So you get it, right? Now I can add this to the backend if I want. I'm just going to click add to engine. I'm going to show you why we need that. All right, now I'm going to refresh this again and load the Prompt Engine Pro again. Here what I'm going to do is go into Coach GPT. Just a second, click on this, and I'm going to create a WhatsApp class. All right, can you create a fascinating, persuasive curriculum for the following topic for the 5 days? I'm going to paste the topic that we created, which is the freedom formula, and you can see that it is creating a curriculum, guys. It's creating a 5-day program for the freedom formula, right? So day 1, introduction to the freedom formula. So it is like, forming the sub lessons, which is like welcome, overview, the entrepreneurial mindset, deconstructing the day job 9-to-5 myth, and then it's also going to have case studies. And then day 2, idea generation and market research. Guys, this is amazing, right? If you can ask the right questions to ChatGPT, it's going to give you great answers. You're going to save a lot of time, which equals money. So it is now creating the day 3 for us, business planning and strategy. You can see this, right? It's gonna create day 4 and the day 5 plan, which is the marketing plan, sales funnel, and the day 5 is the implementation. So build your team, outsourcing and building a team to grow your business, time management strategies. So I'm just gonna quickly see through this, but you get the idea, right? It is designed a 5-day curriculum designed to equip aspiring entrepreneurs with the knowledge and tools that they need to start their journey towards achieving a 6-figure income without resorting to traditional 9-to-5 job. I'm just going to add this to the engine as well. I'm going to show you why again. Now, let me go back to the main dashboard of ChatGPT. All right. I'm going to go into Coach GPT again. And I'm going to go into WhatsApp. I'm going to go into the ads, right? You can create ads, write a Facebook ad for the below statement. If you want, just a second. In the seed formula, you can, even create a video script. I'm just going to create a 200 words Facebook ads video script for this statement that we generated, which is the freedom formula. You can see that it is creating a Facebook ads video script. It is also giving you the shots, opening shots. So when you give this to your video team, or if you start editing this, what you can do is go to stock sites and get these professional stock images so that your video is perfect. You can see that it's creating a 200 words video, and there are a lot of options to this as well. You can make this in 500 words. You can expand the length, or you can dig deeper, and you can also change the tone. Let's say if you want this humorous, you can do that as well. So I'm just going to add this video to the engine. Now we are here at the back end. This is your login. So all the prompts that you do and add to the engine is going to come here under the prompts history. All right. So you can see that all the prompts are here. Now I'm just going to click on record a video. So what this is going to do is, it's called, like a teleprompter. It's going to read and record. Now I'm just going to select the camera. It is showing me a countdown, right? So now I can shoot a video. Are you tired of a daily grind? The 9-to-5 that never seems to end, right? So here you can record a video. I've paused this. You can record a video, and then you can save that video to your desktop, and you can upload it to YouTube. You can upload it to Instagram. So with a teleprompter, it is going to help you quickly create videos. Since I'm already on a video, that video feed is not coming from the webcam. All right, so but you get the idea, right? I'll show this live demo in the webinar. So thank you so much, guys. Looking forward to seeing you in the webinar. I'll do a detailed demo in the webinar, and guys, I'm absolutely sure you're gonna find this information valuable. Thank you so much.